Alright, you got the 3-prong. Green is ground. Yellow is going to be constant power. Brown is the signal wire. They run back into here. Green goes to ground. Yellow taps into the red constant power. And then the brown goes into the white wire. Both the white wire and this black wire, which the black wire is coming from the secondary plug there, run the length of the vehicle, and they come up through the floorboard right there. And then, not sure where the black one goes, but the white one looks like it tees into the brown connector with the white and blue line. White line, or white wire with the blue line. And then the red wire, which is your constant power, comes all the way up to the battery and connects directly to that. I'm not sure about these ones. I just know that this wire right here on the plug is the ground, which comes into this one here. The other one comes down, the other one runs right here to the constant power, so it's just a power and a ground on that plug. And then the blue and the green one here turn into a single black wire, which then runs down and goes with the white wire up through the floorboard.